All right, guys, welcome to Essentials. Man, I'm really psyched to be showing you this marinade, one of my favorites. I call it a hard herb marinade. It's super simple. I've got some rosemary here, a little bit of thyme as well, some minced garlic, honey, and some olive oil. Super easy, guys. Very simple. Mix away, boom, boom, boom. Super easy, super easy. And a ton of flavor. The thyme really adds a nice element to this. Boom. Pork chop. So tasty, very herbaceous, lots of nice garlic flavor, good seasoning. Get to marinating and cooking some chops. See you guys next time.